how to insert page numbers in Word from a specific page. So if you want to insert page numbers in your Word, then first you need to open up your Word application. So adding page numbers from a specific page in Word helps maintain document organization and facilitates the referencing, especially when sections require distinct numbering or when starting numbering after a title or cover page. So let's move to the video. First, open up your Word and then you can simply open up your Word document. And once you're here on the Word document, now if you want to add the page numbers, so simply click on the page from where you would like to add page numbers. So if you want to add that from your first page, then what you need to do is you just need to click on the first page and you need to go for layout option. Under layout, here you will have breaks, right? Simply click on the breaks and choose next page under the section break option. Click on next page and this will create a new section in your document. Now click on insert tab, which is on the upper side of your screen, and go for the page number option, which is under the header and footer. Click on page number and select where you would like to add the page number. So we're going to select at the top of the page. And here on the left, you will have the page number option. Click on the page number and go for format page numbers and click on the start at, and choose the number, which is 1. So enter 1 and then click on OK. But if you want to remove that, then you just need to simply go for link to previous. Click on link to previous and then click on yes, and your page number will be removed, or now the option has been disabled. And here you can see that each section has its own page number. So here on the upper left side of your screen, you will have the page numbers. You can see the page numbers in each and every page. So that's how you can add page numbers on your Word document. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.